Hello everyone. Uh, Welcome to the video Python module. Okay, so what is Python module? A module is a file containing a Python codes, definition of functions, statements, or classes, right? Okay, what are the types of module we have? Inbuilt module and user-defined module. Inbuilt module we have for example, I can take this an example like how to import the module with the help of keyword import module name, right? So how to access the function? You need to write the module name and you need to call the function and we need to pass the value for it, right? So this is all about inbuilt module, right? So that you will get the output accordingly, right? Suppose if you're executing only square root, right? If you're executing only square root function, right, it will not work, right? It shows that name square root is not defined, means we don't have any square root function in the Python, right? These functions are available in the module math, okay? So in Python, how many modules do we have? Let's check into it. Okay, let's get into the command prompt. That is Python editor, IDE, right? Here we can go with help command, write modules in the codes. Okay, it will take a time. So you can see these many are inbuilt modules are available in the Python, right? So we have many things, right? You can see CMath we have, right? Then we have test as a module name, right? Sys module name, right? Then we have datetime module. Okay, these are the inbuilt modules are available in the Python. So how to define the user-defined module, right? For that, you need to create one folder, okay? And currently open that folder location and you need to create two py files, right? Okay, so modules are nothing but Python codes, right? I already said, correct? So we are going to write some of the definitions, right? We are writing only function blocks, right? See in module 1, I have written add function, multiply function, and sub function, okay? And in the same current folder, create one more py file, and I have written and logic, or logic, not logic function, right? Save as .py file, right? After that, you need to create one file where you want to access all these functions, right? So create main, I have created a Jupyter notebook, right? You can create Jupyter or py file as well, right? So how to import these particular modules? Import is a keyword, okay? Whenever you start to write, you will get it here, right? So module 1, okay, you can import one module also, you can import multiple modules also. So let us include both the module over here. Module 2, right? Then, so we have the add function in module 1, right? Let us create a variable sum1. So I'm going to store the value in sum1, right? And how to access the function? First, we need to write the module name, module1 dot. So you can see we have three functions: add function, multiply function, and sub function, right? Let us choose add function. And we need to give the two arguments, right? 2, 3. Okay. So let us print it. Right? We'll get it. The same way you can access for multiply function, right? Equal to what is the module? Okay, let us take module 1 dot what we have, multiplication, right? 1, 2, right? Let us print it. Okay, print. Okay, fine. So we can access the function which are available in the module 1. See, we have what I can say, we have declared the function here and we are going to access in some other py file through the import keyword, right? Fine. Okay, so let us access module2 function, okay, or variable equal to, what is a module? Module2. We have all logic functions over there. Let us access or logic. So we need to give two values that should be true or false as per the function, right? Because in OR logic, what I have written OR, right? So it should be A value and B value should be in true or false, right? Okay, that's what I have given, true or false. Okay, let us print it. Right? Okay, we'll get the output accordingly, right? This is the first method. I can say this is the method 1, which I have written just now. Let's get into the method 2. Method 2. So you can use alias, okay, import module1, right? And you can give a shortcut name for that module1 instead of typing every time module name. So you can write a shortcut name. This is user defined shortcut name. You can give M or whatever you want, right? So now you can access, I'll take a variable x, m dot, see you can access function, right? Multiply function also you can access, right? So this is how we are going to access through the alias. So we are giving the shortcut name for the module, right? This is the second method. Third method, okay, third method. Okay, so we are using a keyword from, okay, from module name. I'm going to use a module1 import. Okay, so if you are writing star, you can import all the functions. For example, I'll be showing one example. C equal to, you can directly call the function, right? No need of writing module name and all. Just call the function. You can see what is the module. Add function is there. You can directly call it, right? Okay, let's write inside the print statement. Okay, we can directly write it. Let us check with sub, right? It should be 3,2, right? Okay, so you don't need to write the module name and then the function like before. You can directly use the function name. You can use all the functions are available in that particular module. Okay, fine. Okay, same way, if you are writing from, okay, module1 import, if you want to import only one function, then you can easily mention the function name, right? Okay, then you can write print add 3,4 or 3,5. So you will get the output, right? Suppose if you are trying to access, what is the function? Sub, right? Print sub 3,2. Okay, since we have imported here, we are getting that, right? Okay. So if you want to access sub, then you can go with, you should call the sub function as well, right? Okay. So without calling that, you may get the error that sub attribute is not found in that particular module. Since we have executed in the previous cell, we are getting that particular output. Okay. So, right, fine. Okay. So this is how we are going to access the function inside the modules. Okay. So modules are nothing but a Python code which are saved in .py files, and it consists of only functions and statements or classes, right? And we are going to access all these functions through the import keyword as well as from keyword. Okay. So we can use star means we can access all the function in that particular module, or else you can specify the functions which all you want to write in the program. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.